everyone, today we are going to talk about nouns. What is a noun? A word that is a person, place, thing, or idea. In other words, if a word is a person, place, thing, or idea, it is a noun. Here are some examples of nouns. Girl and boy are words that name people. Doctor, teacher, and fireman are nouns too. Nouns can also name places. School, park, and playground are nouns that name places. Words like country and Philippines name places too. There are many words to name the things that around us. Anything that you can touch, see, hold, or feel is a noun. Finally, there are nouns for ideas. These are little tricky to understand as we can see or touch them. But even though we can touch them, we still need names for things like love, honesty, and happiness. So, nouns are words that name a person, place, thing, or idea. You may not realize this, but there are two types of nouns. There are common nouns and there are proper nouns. First, common nouns. Well, common nouns name a type of person, place, or thing. What about proper nouns? Proper nouns name a specific person, place, or thing. Common nouns name a type of person, place, or thing. And proper nouns name a specific person, place, or thing. Now, let me show some examples. Here's our first example. Oh, we love this. What's the common noun for this? Yeah, dog. This is a dog. Dog is the common noun. Now, let's say this dog's name is Ralph. Ralph is the proper noun for this dog because that's a specific name of this dog. The common noun is dog. The proper noun is Ralph. Here's another example. Here is a boy. A boy. And boy would be the common noun because the common noun is a type of person, place, or thing. But this boy's name is Alex. Alex would be the proper noun because it's a specific person, place, or thing. The common noun is boy. The proper noun is Alex. Here's another one. Here we have a picture of a school. School would be the common noun. It's the type of person, place, or thing. And let's say this school is called Angels Academy. Angels Academy would be the proper noun because it is a specific person, place, or thing. The common noun is school. The proper noun is Angels Academy. Remember, common nouns name a type of person, place, or thing. Proper nouns name a specific person, place, or thing. Let's look at this example. This is called park. The common noun for this is park. Let's say the specific name of the park is Abraham Park. So the common noun is the park and the proper noun is the Abraham Park. Let's try this one. What is this? What would be the common noun? Yes, cell phone. Cell phone would be the common noun. Now, let's say this specific cell phone is Samsung. That means the common noun is cell phone. The proper noun is Samsung. Now, did you notice that all the proper nouns start with a capital letter? And all of the common nouns start with a lowercase letter. Isn't that interesting? Let's look back. Dog is a common noun, starts with a lowercase letter, and Ralph is a proper noun, starts with a capital letter. Boy is a common noun here, starts with a lowercase letter, and Alex is a proper noun, starts with a capital letter. Park is a common noun here, start with a lowercase letter, and Abraham Park is a proper noun, starts with a capital letter. To review, if a word is a person, place, or thing, it is a noun. And there are two types of noun, common and proper. Common noun is a type of person, place, or thing. Proper noun is a specific person, place, or thing. And of course, all the proper nouns start with a capital letter, and all of the common nouns start with a lowercase letter. Now, let's find out how much to learn about nouns. I will share a noun with you, and you tell me whether it is a common or proper. Here's the first one. Sack. Is this a common or proper? Very good. It is a common noun. And it starts with a lowercase letter. Mrs. Reyes. Is this a common or proper? Very good. It is a proper noun. It is a specific name of person, and it starts with a capital letter. Mrs. Reyes is a proper noun. Philippines. Is this a common or proper? Very good. It is a proper noun. It's a specific name of place, and it starts with a capital letter. Philippines is a proper noun. Teacher. Is this a common or proper? Very good. It is a common noun. It's a type of person, and it starts with a lowercase letter. Teacher is a common noun. Box. Is this a common or proper? Very good. It is a common noun. It is a type of thing, and it starts with a lowercase letter. Box is a common noun. So remember, a noun is a name of person, place, or thing. Common nouns name a type of person, place, or thing. And proper nouns name a specific person, place, or thing. Thank you so much, and you did a great job. Well, that's it. Common and proper nouns. It's wonderful. Now you know the difference. If somebody asks you, hey, is this noun common or proper? Now you know. Now you know. I hope you learned something today. Thank you and goodbye. I hope to see you next time.